Hello lovelies. So this is actually a pretty quick video. It's been a while since I've been downstairs to create anything. We've had birthday parties for the past 2 weeks, sickness. I haven't been down here. I actually only just cleaned it up today. So yeah, it was a good little step to, get back into the swing of things. So for this one, I thought I'd go with a bit of a mixed media touch. And usually when I do mixed media layouts, I do tend to keep my embellishing very simple, and that's what I've done with this one. So this is my fourth layout with my Scrapbook Fantasies creative team audition kit. That is a mouthful, isn't it? And I decided to go with something a little different for this one. I went with this brick pattern paper and the blotchy spots stencil, and I've come in with some crackle paste with this. I'm really trying to use up my mediums and my paints because they're going to dry out if I don't use them. I am ashamed to admit that I have opened more than I would like to find that they have actually all gone hard or, are unusable. So I really want to use them. So then I've come in with my gloss spray. Now I haven't used my gloss sprays in a long time because I can't spray them. They're all clogged in the nozzles. And I was going to buy new nozzles, but then Dina Wakely came out with the droppers and I thought, we can do that. And while I was at the cheapie shop, one of our dollar shops, looking for birthday supplies, I found some droppers. So I thought I'll grab them and then I'll put them in my mixed media cut so I can use them with my gloss sprays. So that's what I did. So I've come in with marine, and I thought it just really complemented the colours in the background and in my photo quite nicely. And to move it around, instead of adding water, I've got one of these squeezy, I don't even know what they are. There's just a little squeeze. You tend to use them with alcohol ink, so it's a little squeezy air blowing nozzle thing. I don't know what it's called, but it does the job quite nicely. And as you can see, it really blows it around really well. Just gives you a bit of movement. And then I have layered my photo on some white cardstock just to give it some contrast, and then another piece of pattern paper, this more tree barky looking one, but I've used the darker tone of it instead of the purple just to add some texture. I've gone in with some cotton. To be honest, this was sitting on my desk because I just repaired one of Ruby's bears, so I thought, that'll be another nice little texture. And again, with the white brings in some contrast with all that darkness happening. And this is just a picture of my husband under the car. We've had car issues for the past couple of weeks. First the battery was dying, and then it was making a clunking sound. Then it was making another clunking sound. Thankfully I married a mechanic, so I just tell him it makes a noise and he throws it up on the hoist. But yeah, it was just a nice little photo that I took that just represents, the car troubles we were having. I love to use my stapler, one as an adhesive, but also as an embellishment. Sort of. I know it's hard to say as an embellishment, but I do like to use it as part of the design process in my layouts, especially when they're more, and I hate to use the word masculine, but I'm going with a grungy layout about our car, so it sort of played in quite nicely. And I use my stapler. Best thing I ever bought was a long reach stapler. It is a lot bigger than a regular stapler, so you can get into the middle of a layout, which I love. And then I've just gone in with some of my favorite black thickers and just I've used 2 different fonts, which I love. 2 different types of thickers, and I've just gone cars, am I right? Because my husband and I are always complaining, cars, computers and pools. Don't like any of them because they're always so much work. And yes, he's a mechanic and he says that. So like I've said, my embellishing is very, very minimal. When I have mixed media layouts, I do that intentionally a lot because I really do spend a lot of the time on my mixed media part, and I really do like that mixed media to just be the main focal point. So as you can see, that crackle paste, because it's white, really stands out on top of that darker background with that marine gloss as well. And that little bit of white cotton really just helps bring it all together with a bit more contrast and some texture. So like I said, really super quick layout, and I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll be back real soon with a new one. Bye for now.